Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about tapping into higher possibilities, okay? You've probably heard of the tapping technique or been exposed to it. Gary Craig made it popular a few years back. It's based on kinesiology. It's got roots that go way back in time. There's all these magical points you can tap. The top of the head, the third eye point right in the middle of the forehead, and then around the eye, there are 3 points on the inside, on the outside, right below the eye, right below the nose, right below the lower lip, collarbone point, right where your collarbone is attached, and sometimes under the arm point. And it helps you to reframe a story, okay? So we've got these stories that are running rampant in our minds. Some of them are negative. And while reframing it, if you're tapping, you're kind of setting it into your nervous system in a new way. You're kind of reframing powerfully a new story, and you're rooting it into yourself, all right? So I'm gonna include the tapping technique today as I talk to you about tapping for relationships, okay? So these points that I'm hitting are just what I can get at while filming, okay? I probably can't feel this one very much, and I'm not gonna do all the finger points, so you go ahead and Google EFT or tapping, and you'll find all kinds of nice points to hit. But the way to use it is, first, forgive yourself, and then forgive the other person. Reframe it. So let's say your relationship is, rough. You've got a mood, or they got a mood, and you're angry, right? That's okay. You might start tapping. Say, yeah, I'm really angry because she did that or he did that, and you know what? They're really rude. They really hurt me, and I honor those feelings. It's totally okay to be grumpy and unhappy from time to time. I mean, we all go through it, but really, I'm just lucky to have that person in my life. They're not really that bad. And, I accept my feelings, and I'm okay with the fact that I'm a human being and I can have these feelings and get my feelings hurt and all that. I accept that, and I forgive me, and it's all right, but they're not that bad, They've got some nice qualities. And then focus on their good qualities while you're doing the tapping, and basically retell the story while tapping these points, and let that story reframe itself in your mind. It's a great thing to do when your relationship gets a little bit rocky. Okay, while tapping, completely be okay with your own self, your own relationship, with your pain. Forgive yourself, accept yourself exactly as you are. You've got every right to have feelings, and then gently start to reframe, okay? But they're not that bad, and maybe they were having a bad day, and maybe, I'm lucky that I have this person in my life anyway. All right, that's a nice way to use the tapping technique when you have relationship issues come up. And that's what relationships are all about. Relationships are gonna push your buttons, all right? So practice that. Google it if it's interesting to you.